Following reports of at least 5 multinational companies, including Procter & Gamble, Unilever, and JSK PLC, winding down operations in Nigeria over challenges in ease of doing business, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, in a statement last week, assured other multinational companies that his administration is determined to remove all bottlenecks to the smooth running of their businesses. The president made the statement while receiving a delegation of the management of Shell Group, stating that his administration is very focused in resolving all investment-related issues and is determined towards making Nigeria the African haven, large-scale investment in all key sectors. Well, this is coming as the Bishop of the Roman Catholic Diocese of Sokoto, Bishop Matthew Hassan Kuka, over the weekend advised young Nigerians wishing to leave the country not to hesitate to do so.
We must learn a lesson.
I have said it time without no time that corruption is not a Nigerian problem. Our problem is that Mumu na they corrupt. Yes, now. So we keep blaming the government, the APC government, for the companies that are folding up and leaving the country. But I have a question. Why is it that none of these our corrupt politicians that have been stealing money, none of them are going back to be using money they stole from the people to buy up these companies that are folding up and start using them to create wealth, additional wealth for themselves? So many of you are not even thinking right. Yes, I know some people are happy that the company are folding up because it just got to show that our government, our politicians are making bad policies. But it's affecting so many Nigerians. Is there not a way that people can buy up these companies and start still using their products and their factory to manufacture the same product in Nigeria here? Even if you can't retain the name, you change it and continue. Is there no way you can do it? It's not about looking for investment. Are you proactive? Are you thinking right? Just to steal people. The same thing I'm talking about pastors. A pastor will have money to build a factory that will employ 10,000 people. He will use the money to build a church for 20,000 or 50,000 capacity. Meanwhile, after doing it, you want to be collecting offering from those who does not have a job. But if you build a factory that can employ 10,000 people, you will still make more money and those people will still give you offering. You'll be making money from them and they sell the product, you make more money. You don't think. These are the same things our politicians are doing. If you invest the money, you will still make more money and you still make policies that will favor you for your company to grow. Something is wrong somewhere if we are not thinking right. As of 2023, I have established this simple truth that corruption is not a Nigerian problem. The problem is that Namumuna they corrupt. Corruption is in every society. There are people who are manipulating system just to gain personal interest. Selfishness is in every man's nature. Exactly. But our own problem is that Namumu na be the thief, Namumu na they corrupt. How can you steal 9 billion and bury all of them, put them on the ground, put AC inside? The money is not useful to you and it's not useful to the society. Because if those who have been stealing money are investing it back into the society, it would have been useful. And of course, somebody will say, they stole it, now they know that if they invest, government will catch them. That is why you don't need to steal it. The same thing I'm talking about, pastor. A pastor will have money. Instead of him to use that money to build a factory, he use it and build another church. Meanwhile, if he has used it to build a factory, he will be making money from the same factory. Meanwhile, he has given his members employment to join it. Now, Mumu, now just get money for this country. Mumu, so many of them that has money don't have sense, they don't have visa document. The only people that can multiply money, even if they stole it from people, are the Igbos. Exactly. Other people just get money, do a one bill. Some people now Mumu have buried the thing. Until we understand that all we need is to build factories, build investment, build businesses, not just buying cars and all those things. That is the only way the economy will grow. I'm out of here, Joe.